Hello and welcome to the Main Cave. Now in this video I'm going to be answering that age-old question, do expensive ceramic keycaps make you a better gamer or even a faster typer? So if you're new here, we make regular videos on technology and gaming for your smart home, so please do consider subscribing, as we may make a video to make your life easier and I wouldn't want you to miss out. So do hit subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. As I said at the top of the video, I want to test whether or not with these ceramic keycaps they can make you a better gamer. Well, no. But what about a faster typer? Again, no. But what these do is they look good, they feel exceptional, and they make your keyboard literally sing. These are a set of keycaps from Cerakey, and they are the most exuberant keycaps I've ever owned, and I love them. With only one real problem, which I'll get to in a bit. So as I've alluded to, what makes these keycaps special is that they are ceramic. This makes them heavier, colder, more substantial, and wear and tear really should be a thing of the past. So let's take a look at them in more detail then. The caps arrived well packaged in two boxes, set A and set B, combining into a total of 96 keys, all in the US version. But if you look on the website, they're currently changing from these packs. There's actually 3 packs in total, down into 1 pack, so this may come different to mine. As yet, I can't see anything for the UK style as well, but maybe that will come, and you could buy a full set and get mine all in one colour, or you can mix and match between the sets. Also in the package is a keycap and switch puller, and 2 yellow switches. So here I have the ceramic keycap V2 set from Cerakey in water blue colour. If you fancy it, you can also get other colours such as white, crazed, indigo, green and others. The keycaps themselves are smooth to touch, and being made of ceramic, they are much heavier. Flip them over and you'll see that the Cherry MX stem and underside is ABS plastic, so the ceramic here just covers the top and the sides, with the plastic making the fit easier. And what they say on the website, it improves stability and durability. They range in heights for the appropriate parts of the keyboard and come with different sized keys for different sized layouts. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be comparing them to a regular unmodified board that I use with double shot keycaps. It's a base board with nothing really done to it out of the factory, but apart from having a little bit of a lube applied, but nothing else. Just to note here, the keyboard that I have has a menu key on the bottom row to the right. This isn't a regular key on most keyboards, and so there was no replacement for it in my keycap set. Worth double checking if yours has one too. I'll just make do with one that was spare in the set. Now let's take a regular keycap then. Let's take the M key. This weighs 1 gram and the ceramic counterpart weighs in at 3 grams. The shift key is a bit more at 2 grams and the ceramic version 8 grams. The heaviest one being the space. On the regular board it's 7 grams and the ceramic a whopping 22 grams. Overall it takes the entire weight of the board from 845 grams up to 1090 grams. That's an increase of 245 grams, or nearly a 30% increase in weight. Not only does the weight make a difference, the feel does also. I wasn't actually prepared for how they would feel, but they feel cool to touch. Admittedly, it's never really hot in my room, but no matter what happened, even to climatise here for a couple of weeks, they remained cool to touch. After typing on it for a while, it still remained cool. It's a feature I really never knew I needed. And as well as the feel, the ceramic helps with the sound. A much deeper, more rounded thock, and I can show you the comparison of the sound here using the double shots as a guide. So here is the sound test comparing. Now next up is another nice touch, as they also shine through. You can still see the RGB, and arguably better than the original keycaps I had, but admittedly they weren't shine through. Here I have the white legend, which makes a bit more difficult to see, and I think if you want to see the legend clearly without RGB, I'd rather have had black legend, which is currently only reserved for the white caps. But as you can still see, it is still legible. So if you're someone who likes their RGB, no worries here. So what's not to like then about these keycaps? Well, apart from what I said about the legends, for such exuberance comes a price tag. This set will cost you a lot, and I get that this is a luxury more than a necessity, but let me tell you, if you do get a set, you won't be disappointed. The craft that has gone into these, the feel, the quality, everything means you are getting a high-end set of keycaps at a high-end price. So please do let me know what you think of these ceramic keycaps. I'll leave links down below where you can get hold of them in the description. Please remember to like and subscribe. Until the next video, bye bye.